Hello again. This is Iete Apeji. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm doing another Trello tutorial. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to create a button and how a button can be used on Trello. So a button is actually an automation tool or automation feature. So I'm going to show you how that works right away. So in order to start that, when you're on your board, you will have this automation button here. Just select that, and then we're going to select button. So now we're going to create a completely new button. So here are some samples, but I'm going to show you practically how I create one that will tell you. The one I'm going to create now is to help you to know when something is completed and what to do with it after it's completed. Or rather to do that. So you can title it anything you like. So I'm just going to title it completed. And then you can choose an icon for it if you want to. I think that's a good one. And then now add an action. So to add an action, all you need to do is to say what you want it to do when you click on the button. So I'm going to now say I want it to move the card to the top of the list, and you can now put it in done. So I'm going to choose this one. So what happens is when I select that button, it moves the card that I have put that button in, and it moves it to the top of the list of done. That means it's done. But there are other options here, which I won't be going through in this video, but there are so many other options you can use. You can decide to make it move card to the top of the list, which is that very list, or you can archive the card. Whatever you choose to do, you can decide to archive it as well, which is not a bad idea. But I'm just going to move it to the top of the list of done. After doing that, you save. Okay, so now you can create as many buttons as you like. So now let's look and see how the button looks like. So if you go into one of your cards, maybe the one on to-do list, okay, so you will see that the button is here. You can see that completed. So if you have finished on this work and you've completed the work, you can select that and then select the completed button, and it takes the action you want it to take. It is quite simple and easy to use. You can create it such that it archives it immediately. You saw different options you can do. So it doesn't have to be limited to things like completed. It depends on what you want it to do, what action you want. You can decide to create a button that assigns a task to a particular person. So immediately you click on that button, it assigns the task to who you want it to, and the person will get notification that you have actually assigned the task to them. So those are the kind of things you can do with that. So I hope you found this very useful, and this is something that Trello can do for you that saves you a lot of time. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe. And like the video as well. If you have any comments or questions, you can put that in there for me and I will respond as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching and have a brilliant week.